Aloha Kauai. Here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Thursday, April 1st. The Department of Health is reporting 4 new cases today. 3 of today's cases are residents who are household contacts of the 2 cases announced yesterday and will be classified as travel related. The 4th case is a female visitor whose source of infection is related to inter-island travel and who was diagnosed off-island. We currently have 7 active cases in isolation and no one hospitalized. We have 20 individuals in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case count is 230, including 195 confirmed locally, 2 probable, and 33 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. To date, we have administered more than 43,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccines on Kauai. We are excited to announce that starting Monday, April 5th, we are moving into phase 2 of our vaccination program. This means all residents aged 16 and older will be eligible for COVID-19 vaccines at clinics around the island. To schedule an appointment, go to kauai.gov/vaccine. Please note that individuals with a history of severe allergic reactions should consult their doctor prior to making an appointment. 16 and 17-year-olds are only eligible to receive the Pfizer vaccine at this time. Appointments for 16 and 17-year-olds must be made at KVMH, Mahilona, or Wilcox hospitals. Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines are approved for adults ages 18 and over only. For those wishing to receive the single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine, the Department of Health added an additional clinic date on Monday, April 5th at the War Memorial Convention Hall. To sign up, please complete the Kauai District Health Office survey at kauai.gov/vaccine. After completing the survey, you'll receive an email with instructions on how to schedule an appointment. Vaccines are now available at the Convention Hall, all 3 local hospitals, at Long's CVS, Safeway, and at the Kaiser Permanente Clinic. You do not have to be a Kaiser member to make an appointment there. Ho'olalahui clinics offer vaccines for their patients, and the VA is offering vaccines to all veterans enrolled in VA healthcare. Again, all residents aged 16 and older are eligible to receive a vaccine starting Monday, April 5th. We encourage our residents to make a vaccine appointment as soon as you can, as we anticipate an increase in incoming travelers. Please do your part to keep yourself and our community safe and healthy. Links to make appointments at any of these clinics are posted at kauai.gov/vaccine. Kauai will rejoin the state's Safe Travels program for trans-Pacific travelers effective Monday, April 5th. Please note there will be no change to the inter-island travel protocol as we rejoined Safe Travels for inter-island travel back in January. Starting Monday, those flying to Kauai from out of state can avoid the 10-day travel quarantine if they participate in the state's Safe Travels program, which includes taking a pre-travel test from a state-trusted testing partner within 72 hours of departing to Kauai. Results must be uploaded to your online Safe Travels profile prior to landing. Be sure to keep a paper copy of your tests on hand in case you have trouble uploading your results. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program, including a full list of trusted testing partners, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. We also recommend you download the Aloha Safe Alert app onto your smartphone from the App Store on Apple or Google Play for Androids. Aloha Safe Alert is an official exposure notification application. The app alerts you when you may have been in close contact with someone who put you at risk for exposure. This app does not track your location. We continue to encourage travelers and those who have been around travelers to take a free COVID-19 test. Free tests are available without appointment at our Kauai War Memorial Convention Hall from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday except holidays. Additionally, we thank our hotel partners who have committed to encouraging their guests to take post-travel tests. We also wish to thank our Kauai Chamber, Kauai Visitors Bureau, and the Kauai chapter of the Hawaii Lodging and Tourism Association for promoting post-travel testing with the Kokua Kauai card. Visitors who take a pre-travel test are eligible for a Kokua Kauai card if they take a voluntary post-travel test. This card provides discounts at participating businesses island-wide. The program starts April 5th when Kauai re-enters a Safe Travels program. If you are an interested business, you may apply to the program at the Chamber's website at www.kauaichamber.org/kokua card. The County of Kauai Rise to Work program was created to help unemployed Kauai residents connect to temporary job opportunities with local employers. Participants in the program receive weekly pay, free health insurance benefits, and the opportunity to learn new skills and gain professional connections. More than 200 people have already found new jobs through the Rise to Work program, but there are still opportunities available. A list of jobs is posted daily on the Kauai Forward website. If you are interested in joining the Rise to Work program, we encourage you to review the available jobs posted online at kauaiforward.com/rise to work. Kauai County will observe Good Friday on April 2nd. County offices will be closed. Also, the Kekaha landfill, all refuse transfer stations, the Puhi Metals Recycling Center, the Reynolds Recycling High Five Redemption Center in Lihue, the Kapa'a and Waimea swimming pools, and all the neighborhood centers will be closed in observance of the holiday. The schedule for residential refuse pickup will remain unchanged. The Kauai bus will operate on its regular schedule. The High Five Redemption Center is operated by Kauai Community Recycling Services in Kapa'a and Kilauea will be open on Friday as well as on Saturday in Kekaha. They will be closed on Sunday in observance of the Easter holiday in Koloa. This weekend is Easter, and recent large clusters of COVID-19 cases on other islands remind us of the dangers of large gatherings and unsafe behavior. We continue to remind residents to consider safety when celebrating this holiday. Please keep your gatherings small, outdoors where you can, spread out, wear masks, and keep a safe distance from anyone not in your immediate household. If food is served, avoid using common utensils. Consider having a single person serving rather than letting each person serve themselves, and don't crowd closely around the food. And if you haven't done it yet, please make an appointment to get vaccinated. If you have been vaccinated, mahalo. And please continue to follow safe practices to keep our community safe and healthy. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to wear your masks, wash your hands, keep your distance, and please avoid large gatherings. Together, we can help to keep Kauai safe.